Welcome and thank you for joining this guided meditation for sleep improvement. Find a comfortable position in your home where you can relax fully. Allow yourself to settle. Close your eyes and gently release the stresses of the day. Begin by taking a deep, slow breath in. Fill your lungs completely. Hold for a moment at the top, noticing the stillness. Then exhale slowly, releasing all tension. With every inhale, feel fresh energy entering you. With every exhale, let go of any worries or stress. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Mentally scan from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. As you breathe, release any areas of tightness or discomfort. Let your muscles soften and allow each exhale to wash away lingering tension. Imagine yourself under a vast starry sky. Visualize a gentle, cool night where every star twinkles like a tiny beacon of peace. The night air is calm and soothing. Picture the sky's endless expanse, embracing you, filling your heart with deep, serene calm. Feel the peaceful energy of the night wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Focus on your breath again. Notice the natural rhythm of your body. Each inhale and exhale, like the ebb and flow of gentle waves. Let your mind settle on this rhythmic pulse. With every exhale, imagine the night's calm deepening, inviting you into a state of complete relaxation. Now set a positive intention for your sleep. Silently repeat, "Tonight I welcome deep restorative sleep. I am at peace, relaxed, and free from worry." Let this intention fill you with a sense of calm confidence and assurance. Bring to mind a few things you are grateful for today. Small blessings or moments of kindness. As you hold these thoughts, allow any remaining tension or anxiety to fade away. Feel gratitude gently uplifting your spirit. Allow your mind to become quiet. With each breath, sink deeper into the peaceful silence. Now, as you maintain this deep, even breath, allow yourself to drift towards sleep. Trust that your intention for peaceful, restorative rest will guide you. Enjoy this calm and let your dreams carry you into a night of deep relaxation, sweet dreams. Good night.